Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add new styles to your Realme 14T. To customize your Realme, it is very simple and you can do it in the theme store. So that comes pre-installed on your phone, and once you go into that, I'm gonna go to the home section first, and you can find the themes. So themes apply both the wallpapers and the icons on your system. So the icons for different apps will be customized, and you can set different ones. Then you can also go to fonts, and this is gonna apply a font across your whole system, but I don't really like that feature. I prefer to have my font be readable and pretty clear. And also I like my font to support all the languages, because not all of these custom fonts will support different alphabets, like from different languages that don't have Latin letters or have extended Latin letters with some diacritics. Then in wallpapers, you can just find wallpapers that you can apply. And I'm gonna show you that on an example of themes on how to apply it. So find a theme that you like, that you wanna try out. And I'm gonna maybe find something cool. I think this one looks great enough. I've seen better ones, but it's good. I can click on apply. You need to have your Realme account logged in this app in order to use it. So you'll probably get asked now if you don't have it logged in. But you can easily create it, of course. And now it'll start applying it. And as you can see, it's applied to my wallpaper as well as the icons, and on the lock screen as well. Of course, not all apps have their icons especially customized, so some of them will just appear like that. And if you didn't want to change the wallpapers, then let's see if we can do it by unselecting them, then clicking on apply. Let's see if it'll go back to the default theme. Yes, it does. So now we have only the icons applied, and the wallpapers are as they were by default. So this is how you apply the themes, and that's basically everything. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.